Well, hi traders, if you're trading the Aussie dollar, the Aus 200 or interest rate sensitive stocks such as banks or consumer discretionary names, you absolutely have to have the RBA meeting on your radar. It promises to be a blockbuster. The RBA have made it very, very clear indeed that they're going to announce major changes to policy and therefore we could see some firework. If we have a look at pricing, I think the interest rate markets are very rich. We've got 12 basis points of hikes being priced in by this time next year. That's a 50% chance of a hike. Go out to 2024 and we can see 4 rate hikes being priced into the Aussie curve at the moment. Again, very aggressive pricing, and that should cap some of the upside that we're seeing in the Australian dollar. If we have a look at positioning, that leveraged funds or hedge funds are running the biggest net long position in the Aussie dollar since March of this year. And again, that should cap some of the situation because the leverage accounts are the fast moving of money. If we have a look at our client positioning, generally they're positioned so that the Aussie dollar will fall. They're expecting the Aussie dollar to fall and that positioning is short. If we have a look at the technicals, it's quite mixed at the moment. Momentum is quite neutral and the Aussie dollar seems to be following what we're seeing in bulk and industrial metals at this precise moment. So what's expected? First of all, we expect the envelope of QE or asset purchase to be increased by 50 to 75 billion over a 6-month period. The Australian dollar will move more aggressively up or down depending on how flexible that perception is of the asset purchase going forward. The second point is, will that maturity for yield curve control, the target they've set, move from April 2024 through to November 2024. I give this about a 30 to 40% chance of playing out. If they do change that maturity, the Australian dollar will get absolutely slammed. That's something that we need to consider. If they leave it unchanged, maybe we'll see some small upside in the Australian dollar, but I think it's kind of expected. The third point then is what happens going forward. Will we get any clues about whether they will lift interest rates concurrently when they allow the balance sheet to fall and liquidity comes out the system? These are the 3 factors. But looking at this is a trading event. This could be a volatility event for your portfolio and it's something you need to concern yourself with.